Hello, wonderful people, and welcome to today's tutorial, today's training on Canva or in Canva. So, today we'll be designing something like this, and very simple, very easy from scratch, no template whatsoever. So, let's get right into it. So, we'll come to our home page and we use this measurement. I've been using this measurement for some time now, 48 by 36. I just wanted to switch and then use this sizes also, so that at least it will be the width will be longer and then than the height. So this is what I used. So you just come and then you make sure it is on inches. It's by default, or on default is at pixels. You just change it to inches and then create your you create your Canva size. So this is what you would see, or this you would see something like this. So now I want to insert my images. I came to Google and then just search for fashion designer, and I think I like this one, a beautiful lady with a beautiful smile. So I want to use that. And there's a lot of space. I realized there's a lot of space I can work with. So I decided to use that in this particular image. So this is it. I set that I'm waiting for Canva. Okay. And then just position and then resize to what I think is okay for me. And I think that's fine. And then let me just insert this, and I'll work with that very soon. So I'll come to my elements and then insert this element, a square, and then position. I think that's fine. And then let me see, I used black as the background, or as the color, and then reduced the transparency. So let's maintain 50, and then give it a border and increase the border width. The border width is still black, that's why it's not visible. So I want to use the pink of this dress on the mannequin. So let me bring this back and then give the corner some roundness. Give the edge some roundness on the edge. And I think that's fine for me. Yes. So we insert everything. Now this is Legion's pattern. So I insert my text box. And then get my write-up. So it says what fashion designing. So I paste that, and there's some excess I don't like, so I'll just clear that, and then select everything and then left align, so I can change my font to the Legion's pattern. So I increase the size and then reduce the line spacing just a little bit, and then position it, and then reduce my line spacing a little. Okay, I think that's okay. Let me see the size. Okay, I use 227. So let me paste that here and press enter. 227. So I think that's okay. And then bring it down just a little bit so I can continue. So I choose my color, which is white, and reduce the transparency of this to half, duplicate, and then take it all back up again. So then I have some kind of a 3D effect. So I think this is okay. I think that's okay. And then I insert this content. So let me just insert a text box and resize the text box, and then insert this text content that says masterclass. So fashion designing masterclass. So let me bold in, and then give it a background, and I want the background to be white. I think no, the background is actually pink. So the pink, no, let me rather give it, insert an element as the background. So let me insert that. And alignment, I'm good. And then insert this. It says 6 months intensive training. So I use the same, and then paste, reduce, and then position. I need to reduce the text box so I can position it well, and it is positioned. So it says 6 months intensive, so I have to just, and sometimes you just have to, I always say, you just have to play around with a lot of things and then figure things out yourself, how things work. So let me bring this whole text box and then do this kind of, and did I click? No, I don't think I did. Okay, now I did. And set this element, alignment, and I don't want the color, but I want a border, and increase the border, and then give it the border color, the pink, and then insert my text box, so in the middle, and then insert a location icon, and make it the same pink color. Is this pink? What? It's, and then bring that to the center. Does that? Take it to the top just a little bit. And then now I just bring my contact and position it, then bring the icon, contact icon, so you can just search it at the elements. So, and then just say it's a row now. And then check for alignment, make sure it's as close as possible. Yes, that's done. And we insert our social, So my social is inserted, and then let me use this as my background. So I take it over, and then I need to zoom in to see what I'm doing. And then now I position, and then I drag, and then now drag it to the down. And I think that's that. Make sure it fits. Yes, it does. So let me zoom out to see what I did. And I would want to reduce the transparency of my background. I think it's too loud. I want to reduce it, but I've taken it to background, so I need to move this thing away so I can reduce it to 50, and then move this whole back again. And I think that's great. That's okay. I would want to maintain like that. And then now I insert so I look for circle, and then see all of graphs, and then scroll down. I think I use this, and then also change it to this color. Now we have two colors, and then position it. So coming right, let me take the whole text box, and that's centered, and we are done. So what is left is just playing around with elements. So I come to elements and search for elements in elements. I see all of graphs, and now just try and set things that I'll just try to see if it works. If it works, I keep. If it doesn't work, I delete. So I think let me take this to the back, and it's okay. It's okay. Just play around. Look for things that would work. And I think we are done. So something simple like this, within in less than 15 minutes, we designed something like this. So I can take this to the back and then reduce the transparency, and then maybe change it to this pink. Just play around with something. If the pink doesn't work, change it to another color, and just playing around with elements here and there, and figuring things that will work and then that will not work. So we've just done this simple, beautiful looking flyer, and it's good within 15 minutes. So thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.